What's up, guys? This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal, back for more Test and Talk today. For the first time in our Test and Talks, we're going to discuss destructive testing. However, little heads up, this will be our last video of 2022. So we will see you guys in 2023. Probably going to take the next 4 weeks off, so it'll be around mid-January before we come back and see you. So make sure that you do the following. Have a great New Year. Have a Merry Christmas. All right? If you're still here, though, and you wouldn't mind a little last support for the channel, how about clicking that little subscribe button, whoop, right there, right? That would be fantastic. Or just drop a like. Thank you so much. Very grateful. And this will be what wraps us up through 2022. See you in 2023. Let's jump in. Last week's video, we looked at hardness testing as a common method of evaluating a component. What are some of the other more common tests used to confirm that a part meets requirements? Fluid carrying components and assemblies may be subject to simple leak testing. Vacuum leak testing becomes much more complex. Fasteners can require a battery of tests to verify their ability to function under load and shear. Structural parts may require that they can carry a specific proof load. Pressure components can require that they are tested to a specific pressure. Both are non-destructive when used to verify a part meets expected service strength and can be required on each part when necessary. Testing is destructive if stressing to the point of failure is required. Tensile testing to determine strength properties can be required at room or elevated temperature depending on the material and application. The test itself is always destructive, but oftentimes a sample can be used in lieu of destroying a fabricated component. Using a sample is simple in homogeneous materials and simple configurations. Things get a lot more complicated when properties can vary within the material or configuration. Care must be taken to ensure that the sample truly represents the part. When properties have been developed by heat treatment, test samples also need to be heat treated with the components they represent. Needless to say, the testing we have been describing in the last several weeks can be a very significant contribution in the overall component cost. All quality assurance testing is intended to confirm the quality of a part and requires careful planning. Many parts require inspections or testing at multiple steps in fabrication. If you are a regular viewer of our video series, then you know that things can get complicated very quickly. So for time number 113, please don't ever forget to check the specs. Go. This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate the support. Michelin Metals is a full-service distributor, supplier of all things steel. Take a peek at the website. Any more questions? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. If you're still here and have not subscribed, click there, right? Please. Missed last week's video? Click there. All right. We will see you guys in 2023. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful New Year. Have a very Merry Christmas. See you in 2023. I'm out.